I've always been obsessed with experiments and learning how things work. I always knew that I liked science, but Open Universities Australia helped me narrow down what field I wished to study after high school. I was in year 7. I had recently started homeschooling and I found out that I had lots of extra time and it wasn't as challenging as I expected it to be. I thought that I could use that spare time to broaden my learning. Mum did lots of research to find different things that I could learn, and then I went through the website, looked at all the courses and looked at the workload and whether or not I'd be able to fit it in. Traditional universities' platforms are kind of hard to navigate, whereas Open Universities Australia has a very easy to navigate platform. It was a little nerve-wracking because I'd never done anything on this level before. I was worried that I wouldn't be able to keep up because it's aimed towards people a lot older than me. It was really, really good. It was the perfect amount of challenging, and since it was online, it was nice and flexible so I could prepare my time around it. The short courses helped me to decide exactly what I wanted to do. So I'd wish to work in the labs and hopefully discover something interesting.